hello everyone, welcome to CUCT Careers. So guys, you must have seen that the official notification for the counselling of Central University of Kerala is out. So guys, today I will be telling you how you have to register for the counselling process under CUCT 21 in the Central University of Kerala. So first what we have to do is we have to open the official website of Central University of Kerala. So here we go. Here we open the official website of Central University of Kerala, and now in this we will be finding an option of quick links. In the quick link option we have to open the UG PG admission 2021. So when we open this page, here we have various options like online registration for admission, then the admission process, admission guidelines, list of the required documents during the counselling process. So now if we open the admission procedure, so here we have a document complete in which complete list and complete steps about how we have to register for the counselling process is given. Then there is one important detail which you guys have to remember, and that is here it is written the online counselling link, that is the link is active from 22nd October 2021. But a very important thing that you guys have to keep in mind, if you have to register for the counselling process of the Central University of Kerala, that is the last date to register for the online counselling procedure is 2nd November and the time is 12 PM. So that is the last when you have to apply. After that you will not be eligible for registering for the Central University of Kerala. Now see, down we have the documents which need to be submitted at the time of counselling procedure. So here if we open the documents list, first we will be needing the CUCT admit card. Then second will be the SC/ST certificate, your degree certificate, your provisional certificate, your mark sheet. So here you can check the complete details of the documents you will be needing at the time of the registration process. So guys, do check this complete notification which you will be needing. Now if we go about how we have to register for the process, so here is an option of online registration for admission. Now here we find the link is that is click here for applying for online UG admission. We open this link. Now this page opens, that is the register candidate login. From here you will be entering your user ID password, and then you will be able to register with the complete details and document which you will be needing for counselling. So this was about how you have to register for the counselling process of Central University of Kerala. So one important thing again I would like to remind you, that don't forget that the last date to apply is 2nd November. So do apply for registration before 2nd November so that on the last day you don't face any difficulty if you want to enter into the Central University of Kerala. So guys, don't forget the last date and do the registration process immediately. So thank you so much, and once again don't forget to like the video and also subscribe our channel for any of the further updates and any notification for CUCT 21. Thank you so much.